A good product design lays a stronger foundation for smoother manufacturing.
Better programming turns decisions into smarter process.
The right toolpath keeps precision moving through every cut.
When design and machining work in sync, productivity follows.
The right tooling makes every cut count. And the right cutting strategy makes every process more productive.